Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the camera and phone. Make sure the battery is healthy and the phone has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on. On the camera, enable the wireless settings and switch to pairing or Wi-Fi function. This exposes the network or Bluetooth name you will use. On your phone, open the Canon Camera Connect app, accept permissions, and choose Add a Camera. Once done, the app will scan and present the camera identifier. Select it to proceed with pairing. You now complete the pairing by choosing the camera's SSID in the app or by confirming a Bluetooth handshake. If a passphrase appears on the camera screen, type it into the phone. Make sure to name the device for easy reconnection and enable remote control and image transfer options so you can shoot from the phone. Once paired, adjust image quality, auto-download, and location tagging inside the app. These preferences control file size and workflow, so set them before you start shooting remotely. You finish by verifying live view appears on the phone and that the shutter and focus controls respond. Take a test shot and confirm the image transfers into the app gallery. Make sure time and date match between devices for accurate metadata and use the app save location settings to find files quickly. If the connection fails, restart both the camera and phone. Forget the network in the phone's Wi-Fi settings, then reinitiate pairing. This clears stale credentials and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.